I did a thing. I bought a 1965 Mustang coupe. Yes, there's a catch. It is most of, or maybe about half of, a little less than half of a car. This is my first time tackling a car, a full build. I have no welding or fabrication experience. One step at a time. Again, right now I just want to focus on getting those tires aired up, getting it into the garage, getting it up on the jack stands, and then yeah, we'll see where we go from there.
Was a hot summer's night. Lord, we couldn't close our eyes. It was a hot summer night. Lord, we couldn't close our eyes. An old woman's shout gave us a fright. She said Willie didn't come back home last night. No. Willie used to hang out in the hood, and some of them were up to no good. They told him if he did this job tonight.
I got the car in the garage, got it on stands and got the wheels off. Next for me, I need to rent a tool for the shocks, for the springs. Honestly, that's probably the most nerve-wracking part for me, is just these springs are known for having a ton of built-up energy, and so you have to be really, really careful about how you remove them. Again, never done any of this before, just watched a ton of videos, or tried to watch as many videos as I could. So we're just gonna take our time and be safe, but that will be in the next video. And yeah, I'll just continue removing anything that's not structural from the car, so that way I have as much access as possible to the frame rails and floor supports. So then I could start cleaning all that stuff and prepping it, and then eventually priming it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, new to this. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm learning as I go and just gonna do my best. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.